And ordering integers. Compare positive and negative rational numbers expressed in various forms using the symbols less than, greater than, equal, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Why do we learn this? Negative points and scores are possible in some games. This is a game of Jeopardy! You can see Aaron Rodgers is up in the 12,000s, while Kevin is getting the answers wrong, so he's down at negative $2,800. You need to compare the order of integers to find out who is winning. You can use a number line to compare integers. As you move to the right on the number line, the numbers become greater. I want you right now to draw your line down, and we're going to write that right here. As you move to the right on the number line, the numbers become greater. So going to the right, the numbers become greater. So let's take a look. Let's draw a number line. Make sure you can fill in all the correct values going this direction. It goes like this. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's find a -6 on your number line and a -4. Remember, the farther to the right, the bigger I am. So a -4 is bigger than a -6. So I want you to do the next two. Stop the video now. All right, so on my number line, if I put my pencil eraser on 5 and I put it on a -3, I can see 5 is farther to the right, so 5 is greater than a -3. This one's a little more tricky. -12 is out here, and here's a -9. So -9 is bigger than a -12. This helps you order things too. So if I made a number line that went in the hundreds, so if I started here and went 100 and 200 and 300, so I could do the same thing going backwards. This would be a -100, a -200, a -300, a -400. If I put these on the number line, the tigers are at a -200, and I'm just going to use a T for tigers. Bulldogs are at 300. The lions are at a -400, so 200, 300, 400. And the Spartans are at 100. If I take a look now I've ordered them. In the order they would go would be the lions, the tigers, the Spartans, and the bulldogs. And I can very easily order them on a number line. So right now, I want you to graph the following on a number line. You can stop the video now. All right, so let's take a look. I have a -8, 10, 2, -3, -11, 0, and 1. Oops. And 1. So now when I number them left to right, I can see it goes in -11, -8, -3, 0, 1, 2, 10. Some of you are starting to see this and you won't need a number line anymore. So if you can use a number line if you need to, if not, can you order these from least to greatest? All right, from least to greatest, we'd have -9, -3, -1, 5, 6, and 12. We played a game on DigitWiz today, but here's your assignment. Again, it'll be hooked to Schoology.